final touches here. Showed up to Circle City. I believe they're racing micros, 3 classes of micros. We got sprint cars here. Got my buddy Steve Irwin, the Flying Zero, pitted next to us. Getting some shock cables on. Hey, what's happening? Just rolling through the pit area at Circle City Speedway. We're running the 410 non-wing sprint car. First time back in Kyle's car. Just got me some tear-offs from my good friend Jocelyn Reinbold over at Carbon Safety Technologies, I believe. They got micro. It's micro night. You want on TmezTv? Say hi. Do you like and subscribe?
My dad does.
Sweet. Thank you.
Got your shirt on last time.
Nice. So got the micros down here tonight, and I think they're doing some special week of racing, and this is like their 3rd night, which means we're gonna be like last on the billing today. It's basically sprint cars are 6th out. They got all kinds of classes here. Non-wing micros, wing micros, restricted micros, stock cars, modifieds, and 410 non-wing sprint cars. So yeah, it'll be a fun night of racing, I'm sure. Just a long one for me. You guys are gonna just breeze through it though. Alright, just got done with practice, and I think that was qualifying. I believe we went quick time in our group. And the track is going away. They have a ton of cars here. And compared to some of the clay tracks we run, this place doesn't have as much grip. So it's a constant change the car throughout the night. Killed some stagger. Put a different right rear offset on, which is huge. Brand new shield and post. All right, heat races are pushing off. I gotta get in the car. I'll see you out there. Looks pretty slick out here. I start on the bottom, so hopefully I can get the jump. We just got done with the heat race.
Just as good as every other heat.
Well, that's good.
I think our track is a lot more blown off.
So, track is slick, and we need to raise the nose, but the thing's already got some good arm angle. And you really only want to go with so much angle, or the thing just kind of keeps the right front from getting down, in my opinion. So, we might be limited there. We're pretty much as high as we can go. Just got done messing with the shocks too, because we're gonna load this thing up with fuel, and I had softened the right rear all the way and tied it down. But it was just because we were kind of still not that tight, you know, the track was gone compared to what we were expecting it to be. So now we're throwing the book at it, changing some bars. Typically when it's slick, you got to get the car to move more, so softer bars than what you're running. Loaded up with fuel, and boy, this thing's a lot different than the wing car. First couple laps I went in there, I was like not turning the car soon enough, and just glad I didn't, you know, make a mistake out there. But yeah, definitely a lot different than the wing car. This thing actually has a 283-5 motor in it, and it is a ripper. And right now, I'm kind of struggling with that. This thing makes 900 horsepower, and I can't even find the bottom of the gas. You know, I'm like pedaling this thing quarter throttle, half throttle down the straightaway. So really wish she had something to detune it. We were talking about changing the nozzles. If we had some Knoxville headers or Knoxville mufflers, that would kill some power, or some reducers, but we don't have anything, so I'm not sure what to do there, because track's slick and this motor just hits really hard. Maybe it's because I'm so used to just being locked down in the wing car after last week. It was pretty much just smash the gas to the floor, and this thing, it's like half throttle, quarter throttle, never full throttle. All right, so now this thing here is a All-Pro 283-5, which is about what most of the hitter non-wing cars run. Even wing cars, you know, if you got a 283-5 set of heads, I think it's like 2.9 injection maybe. So if you're making, you know, big power, ultimately we need to kill power. So he was talking about putting the nozzles, the downs and the ups and the down, and trying to kill some power. I like to do it with the exhaust because I feel like that's a good way to kill power, but that is why you need to go visit Tim Engler at Engler Machine and Tool and get him to dyno your stuff with Knoxville mufflers, with swept forward muffler exhaust, with your different nozzles, bullets. There's all kinds of different ways to tune these motors, and ultimately, if you've been to the dyno and you've actually seen what it does, like when you change that stuff, you know how to tune your stuff. And at the top of everybody's game, you know, the Outlaws, the High Limit, USAC, those guys all know how much power their stuff makes, how to kill 30 horsepower, 70 and 100. Sometimes it's nice to kill 100 horse. You know, if you put 1 and 7/8 reducers, you go from a 3-inch hole to this hole, it kills about 100 on the top, and it really still makes 700 horsepower up to like 8,000 RPM. All right, while the guys work on it, I saw Indy Race Parts micros here, so that means Bernie might be here. He's the local parts guy that very well could have the stuff we need for our car. Engler has it, but he's a couple hours away, where Bernie is here in Indianapolis in town. right, so Bernie said he might have some reducers, so that means we will be able to detune this thing if he does the rest of the weekend. It's Thursday, we got Friday, Saturday, and I'm hoping Sunday. I don't look at the schedule, so I don't even know, but shout out to Indy Race Parts for helping a guy out.
Pretty good here. We're running second, but the car is kind of going away, and man, I about crashed it. So the goal for tonight is to not crash the 23. That's all we care about. However we finish is how we finish, and
done. Kid made me this. That's pretty cool. Appreciate that, buddy. Just got done with the feature. Car was really good. Track went away, and we just weren't keeping up with it by the end of it. We were kind of up on top of the track. Got racy there for the lead in traffic, and then on that restart after that, it just kind of lost its grip, you know, and at that point, I got it into the fence in 3 and 4, and the thing kind of biked on me, and the name of the game tonight was just finish, not tear up the 23 car, and kind of get back to being comfortable in the non-wing car. So felt good, my collarbone feels good, and we had a pretty good run. We ended up running 3rd, so not a bad night. Go collect some money at the pit gate and get it ready for tomorrow. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm out. All right, so thanks to TmezTv. I have a lot of fans, and I have some fans that are from down under, okay? Where are you guys from?
Melbourne? Victoria.
Victoria. Okay, so these guys come down here for vacation. Why do you guys come down here for vacation?
What's Speedway?
Speedway. The Australian people love Speedway, as do I. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I'm out.